Hi everyone and welcome. We have some glorious colors for you today. They are so fun. We have a sky blue, which is a light blue, and a beautiful magenta color, which is actually rouge by Master's Touch. We have a primary yellow, a viridian green, which is really an aqua green, also from Master's Touch. Liquitex is a fluorescent pink and lime green, and then kind of a mix of a Prussian blue and violet for kind of a dark blue color. And then of course we have titanium white. So some really great colors to get a really neat, maybe even a fluorescent kind of chameleon cell. So let's go ahead and get started by making our cup. We're going to make it as easy as possible using a flip cup and just layering our colors. I'm going to go ahead and start with my viridian, and I'm going to go ahead and go through all of my colors, layering them, trying to get some darks and some lights, a little bit of white. Now this white is a new white for me, and I've noticed that it can do a lot of fun things. It likes to make cells, and I'm not looking for cells here. I want to make my own cells and have my own control, and that is what the chameleon cells will allow me to do. I'll be able to put cells where I want them to go. Let's go ahead and add this beautiful magenta color, which is rouge. I love this color. And I've already been playing today. Then we're going to add our very beautiful sky blue. Now this is an Amsterdam color, and not all of these are. And it's sky blue light. And the problem with that is sometimes it makes those cells. Lovely yellow. That one's really staying on top. This is primary yellow mixed with some metallic yellow from Artist Loft. Again, cell makers. I don't know why I have so many cell makers. I guess I just wanted to make lots of cells. Even this one, it'll make cells. People who have no luck making cells, just mix a bunch of paints together, different kinds, and you end up getting cells. At least I end up getting cells. Prussian blue, which is usually a very dominant color. I'm not so sure it's going to be dominant in this one. Let's see. Actually, I can see that Prussian blue is activating with my fluorescent pink. Yeah. Let's add just a little more. We don't need too much paint. We can definitely go overboard with the paint. I probably already have enough. I'm going to go ahead and make some white. I also can get pearls with this one. See how light and fluffy it is? Maybe a little bit of green now. About out of that one. And the beautiful magenta. Now it's staying on top. Something's holding that up and keeping it buoyant. And a little bit of our sky blue. I have way too much paint at this point. This is plenty for this canvas. And I'm hoping to get some skins. If you haven't seen my skins videos, please check those out. I have so many skins videos. I think I'm known for just doing skins these days. Now take a look inside my cup. We already have some activation and some cells going on, so hopefully this will work for a chameleon cell background. It's not something I do very often, chameleon cells. I think I do have a video out on it. That's really pretty cool, actually. I always love the cups. You always get such great colors. Let's go ahead and get this flipped. Now I'm going to be doing this very gently. I did throw one over. It made a mess, and it didn't quite turn out the way I wanted to. I'll probably have a video out on that one because it turned out really crazy, and it was kind of neat actually. But I'm going to be very gentle with this one. I'm not going to put anything down because I know that my white will make pearls, and that is not what I want in this particular painting. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to turn it over very, very gently. Try to sit this back down, my 10 by 10 canvas. It's just a very small canvas. I'll go ahead and I'm going to move it over just a little bit. And give it just a second. I'm mixing my colors up. You really need to have your colors where they're layered for this. And this is just one way of layering. You could do a swipe for this one and make an absolutely beautiful chameleon cell painting. But I'm going to do it this way. This is the easiest way, the easy version. Whoa, there we go. There we go. I'm just going to move it around a little bit. Yes, I'm already seeing a few cells. We don't want a lot of cells. Move those over to the side. And let's go ahead. Yes, we're getting cells. And the more I stretch it, the more cells I'm going to get. Let's move it down just a little bit on this side. Make it easier for it to spin. Look at the cells. If I wanted the cells, I wouldn't be able to get them, but that's okay. We're going to make this work. I'm going to give this a spin. Trying not to get thrown all over me and off my table. Oh my. Yeah. The more I spin it, the more cells are going to pop up. I'm just going to go ahead and stretch it. Okay, just trying to make sure my canvas is covered. That did not exactly work like I thought it was going to. But you know what? I'm going to chameleon cells this anyway because I can use it for background. I'm pretty sure my white is the problem here. My white is causing this to cell up. Yeah, back to the Liquitex. Where I don't get any cells. Anyway, let's chameleon cell this bad boy. I am going to just be adding some coconut milk, which has my silicone in it. It's silicone or dimethicone. This one is dimethicone. So silicone, treadmill oil works just fine, or anything made for pouring, but I'm going to be using dimethicone in my coconut oil, or coconut milk, I should say. And I'm going to just use a little tiny needle for this. You can use a toothpick, a skewer, or a pen, anything you want to use for this. And I'm going to move this paint out of the way right here before I end up getting it all over me. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just putting it into my little container, and then I'm going to start doing my work. Now, I have done one where I worked with the cells, but with this one, I'm just going to start in the middle, and I'm going to work out. I'm just going to keep working. Because you really can do whatever you want with this. And since this already kind of has that look like it's a corner, I'm going to treat it like it's a corner. And here it is. I just went right over those cells, and it's going to make a great background for another painting or even to stand on its own. And let me show you the dry version. Here it is completely dry. It dried exactly the same. You can still see where the original cells were. I just left them there, just add some character. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye now.